Okay, now that we've distinguished these two different properties of arguments, we could have valid and sound, valid not sound, not valid not sound, but true premises. um, now we can distinguish two ways we can go wrong in our thinking. Okay, so two ways we go wrong. Two ways we go wrong, and we can learn from this. One is bad reasoning. Okay, and number two is bad information. Okay, um, so an example of bad reasoning will be like when we use an invalid argument. Okay, and that's what's going on here. We go from Moon's planet is green and Moon has glasses to it's night out, right? We engaged in bad reasoning. Another example is the other one is bad information. The example for that is when we have false premises. And that's what's going on here. Here, the reasoning is good. Going from all women are mortal, Socrates was a woman, therefore Socrates is mortal. Flawless reasoning. It's valid. Okay, if the premise of your true conclusion has to be true. But it's not sound because we start with bad information, which is this premise is false. Okay, so bad reasoning is when we don't meet this condition, and bad information is when we don't meet this condition, either the validity with bad reasoning or false premises with bad information. Okay, so you see how these two correspond with each other. Okay, now we can apply this a little bit to thinking about even real life cases. So think of a master detective, a Sherlock Holmes. You ever seen that show Sherlock or read the original books? Um, even the best detective, if they're fed bad information, okay, then they'll go wrong, and they won't have a sound argument. That'll be like someone in this case. On the other hand, you might have someone who gets all the facts right. Okay, they've done all the research, they get all the facts, but they reason very poorly, and that's the person who reasons like this. What you want is to be able to get all the good information, true premises, okay, and reason well, be valid, and then boom, there you got your sound argument, something like this. Okay, making sense? Now here's how to apply this to real life. Imagine you're debating with someone, you find, oh, whoa, we disagree, we're debating. Okay, when you're disagreeing with someone and you both have your reasoning on your side, each of your sides, find out which of these is the problem. And it's going to be one of these. Otherwise, if both of these are good, then you'd be valid in true premises and your argument would be sound. Okay? But so if you're disagreeing, one of you has to be going bad, at least with respect to reasoning or bad information. Okay? And find out what it is. So sometimes you find out one of you it just disagrees about information. So you're disagreeing about the premises. Then what you should do is just maybe go do a Google search or like do more investigation on getting your facts straight. Okay, getting the true premises. Was Socrates was a woman? Okay. Other times though, you might realize, oh no, we do agree on the facts. We do agree with our premises, but we're reasoning differently. Now, for that sort of thing, you don't need more investigation. What you need is logic. You need to make sure that your reasoning is valid. Okay? So this lesson can actually help you in real life conversations, figuring out which one is going wrong. All right, so there we go, and then I'll see you guys in the Zoom session.